Hey Ewans, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro, it's just this ho. So today is a Coach Furry bag unboxing. I told you guys I want to continue to buy Coach. I love Coach. She is my ride or die at this point. And see, I have on my Tom Westerman Lips vest type muscle shirt, and I put it with this Marine Serre looking top. These crescent moons, guys, are stretched to their limit. These things are beyond. They're like, oh God, we're not even moons anymore. We're just straight lines. Yeah. Anyway, back to my story. I told you I was not going to buy. I was going to try to, when I buy Coach, wait till it goes on sale. This bag I wanted as soon as it dropped for $250. But I said, you know, we're not no, she can't, she won't, she will not. She just cannot do it. So, hello and behold, WeiWei contacted me, you know, my essay from Coach. I have her link down below, or her name, and how you can contact her through Facebook Messenger. It's WeiWei Rubenstein. That's all you need to know. She's the only one. She works for a Coach store, and she will hook you up if she has the availability to do so. I want to tell you, she contacted me. I ordered a gift for John, and then she sent me a gift in that gift, which I am going to show you. But also then a couple weeks later, she said, hey, these fur whatever bags, all the fur bags are going on sale. Do you want me to get you one? And I was like, yes, let's do this. I'm going to have them linked down below. If you have trouble finding them online, contact her, see if she can locate one for you and get it, you know, on sale. So anyway, they are all on sale now, which is good. Remember, I think the tabbies were like $7.50. I think they're down in the fives now. I think they're like 40% off or something, maybe. Some of them. But anyway, WeiWei sent me this huge, beautiful, like coffee table Coach book. It's a story of NYC, a story of New York cool. And if I could just open it, let me open it for you and let's just see what we got going on here. Because I've been saving this to show you guys, and it is so nice. I can't believe you did that, WeiWei. Thank you so much. She's amazing. Yeah, so I like the fact that she does contact me anytime that something is really, really hot. I'm always like, let me know when a really hot item is getting ready to drop. I want to get it first so I can show you guys that. And anytime something that I really have asked about, but I'm like, I'm gonna wait till it goes on sale, she also contacts me. So it's good to have an essay for those reasons. But this is a huge, beautiful book, which comes in a little case like this. So cute. It's like really scratchy material, almost like a canvasy type, but the inside book is a little floppy. That's okay. I like this. This is really neat. So it has just tons and tons of art and pictures and stories. Coach, New York City. I'm going to go through it, but look how neat this is. Very cool. Kind of like, it looks like a history, doesn't it? Yes, girl. Oh my gosh, this thing is gorgeous. 1971, the duffel sack. So yeah, this is something that I think every Coach collector should have, is this big, huge book. I love it. Coach, a story of New York cool. So yeah, it does take you back and let you see all of the older iterations and bags and stuff that they carried, and you know, the models carrying them. I mean, it's a cool book to have. So anyway, I thank you, WeiWei, for gifting me this book. I love it. It's almost like a coffee table book. I mean, it's that nice and that really kind of luxe looking, you know? All right, so let's get on to a furry bag unboxing. As promised, I know you guys can tell I got sick the first time November 10th, right? It's New Year's Eve right now. So I got rid of that, was happy to get rid of that funk. And then mid-December, Bill got sick with the same crap. Of course, he blames us. I blame him for bringing it back in the house. It's just round and round. We fight about this all the time. But anyhow, nicely packed, your Coach item. She always spares no detail. I mean, she always goes way above and beyond in the packaging department. So your reusable box, these are recycled, so you can recycle them right along with it. I save them in case I sell a Coach item or a bag. I can put it in a box for them and wrap it up really nice with a ribbon. That's always nice. So it's got the red holiday ribbon. Remember, Coach usually does a brown ribbon on their packaging. So for the holidays, I got this because this was ordered right before Christmas. So inside, it's very lightweight. So this little bag, you'll know it right off. You'll be like, oh yeah, she's talked about this. Let me just slip it out. Oh, girl. That's what he said. No, don't. Okay, so I got the wine colored, or is it Bordeaux, maybe? Yeah, you guys know I never prepare for anything, but it's like a wine, a deep burgundy color. Oh, that's neat. Fur cinch bag. Now, y'all know I'm into these cinch bags this year. It's been just everything to me. I have wanted cinch bags, every kind, every way, all the time, everywhere. So it comes with an attached inside. There's a little chain that's attached so you can crossbody or shoulder this little number. Ooh, I love it. I think it's gorgeous. Each little drawstring on the side has a little C, another little C, and I want to say this color is Bordeaux. Let me look. Oh, I don't know. I don't have anything. Inside is leather. So the inside of this is leather with the Coach patch. There's 3 little card slots. You can't see in there because it's a dark hole. That's what she said again. But yeah, there's 3 little card slots on one side, the Coach patch on the other. You've got your little Coach little tag that comes with it, and then you can cinch this dog up, honey. Yes, I love it. I think this will carry quite a bit. Your phone will fit in there, all your essentials. I love it. I think it's totally cute. It's very dark. I think they had it in this and probably black. I think there were only 2 colors. I'll link them down below. If you can't find something though on the website, like I said, contact WeiWei. Ooh, I love this. The hardware on it's kind of like a antique looking brass. It's not a real shiny brass, not real brassy brass, you know what I mean? But I love it. The chain is very substantial and heavy. Oh, it hits good. It hits really nice on me. Okay, I'd show you, but yeah, I'm busting out of this top, so I feel like busting loose. Whether I want to, and I feel like it, it's happening. So anyway, this is the bag that I got. Very faux shearling, I think is what they call this. Very fluffy and soft and ooh, yes, cinchy. Loving me the cinchy bag. Now, I got this on sale. When I got it, I want to say I paid around $130-ish in the $130 mark, not more than $140. So right in there. So yeah, I got a really great deal on it. Thankfully, was able to snag it. Hopefully you are getting all the fur you want, honey, after Christmas and all these sales. Yes, or fur bags. Sorry, excuse me. Fur too. Hey, I'm not gonna judge. Who am I? You know what I'm saying? You know. All right, guys, thank you for joining me today. Thank you to WeiWei. Thank you for being around all year. Next week, it's the new year. Yeah, Happy New Year to you. Hope you are safe tonight. If you're watching this on New Year's Eve, I hope you have a very safe and happy holiday and celebrate tomorrow as well. And what a tradition at our house, eating pork, black-eyed peas, and cabbage. 3 of my most not favorite things. So I will take, well, I like pork, I like ham, but I'll eat a lot of ham or whatnot, but black-eyed peas and cabbage, no ma'am. Just 1 bite a piece and then she's done for good luck. I know, but that's, I don't know, it's a tradition. Is that a tradition at your house? Let me know your New Year's traditions. Comment down below and tell me what they are. All right, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, hit the like, comment down below. I need, just a few more subscribers to make it to 7,000 subscribers. Oh my gosh, I am blown away. I'm so happy about that. Anyway, have a great day. And if y'all see my husband, girl, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Any New Year's resolutions out there, girl? What do we got? You know, mine is always, sometimes I just say, F it. I don't have any, but I gotta get some weight off. It's just, I have gained, I got on the scale today, 25 pounds since October of last year, which makes sense because my mom got sick in September of last year. And I just said, you know what? I can't. She can't be bothered to eat well and work out all at the same time, but I gotta get those things back on track. So I guess I'm gonna try to be happy and healthy in the new year. Let's see if I can try to lose some weight. That's gonna be my number 1. Maybe spend less money, but oh, we all know that ain't gonna happen. Did she just say that? Oh, she's crazy. I'll take this mini tree down. I hate to, but I wait till the 1st to take all of my stuff down. That's another tradition. It's bad luck if you don't, right? Oh God, bag of the day, of course, is my little mini micro pochette Matisse. Matisse? Is that a... No. So there's that. And my scent of the day is actually, where is she? She's behind me, or he. It's Dior Ombre Nuit. That new soap I bought. Oh my God, it's so good. I went back on there and bought the lotion. Ugh, I usually don't. I'm going to do a video coming up of the things that I stopped doing after 50. That's going to come up in either next week or the week after. So, see ya! Get your fur on, freak, get your fur on, holla! I was trying to be Missy Elliott. I just, yeah, that missed the mark, didn't it?